Hey everybody, this is Susie and I'm Hondo and we teach people how to dance.
Together.
The operative word for us is social dancing.
Show dancing is what you watch. Social dancing is what you get up and do.
Get up and do. I like that. That has a good ring to it. We're going to be counting down our 25 favorite memories because we're celebrating 25 years in business. So welcome to our 25 for 25. Okay, we're at number 24 in our countdown, and it's going to be the Dancer's Toolkit. So quick backstory, when I learned to dance first thing I learned was the two-step. And now we know that it's called the rhythm two-step. My grandma Helen taught me to go 3 steps to the left and 1 to the right. Did that for 3 hours and we danced the night away. I probably danced that to every song, no matter what the time signature. And then I signed up for social dance class in college and learned that, lo and behold, there are a lot of different ways you can dance to different types of music. So I'm gonna have Susie talk a little bit about the background we come from vis-a-vis her mom's teaching style.
So my mom was a FIDA teacher to start with. For her, it was always playing games. And for her, dancing was always playing games too. So we did lots of different styles of dance, like you would play different sports. And so there was always the partner dancing or the line dancing or the folk dancing. Lots of different things to go from.
Well, as an avid sports fan, we clicked on that right away because we both love athletics. And I'm a great baseball fan. And back in the 60s, the Minnesota Twins had a player named Cesar Tovar. And he was famous for playing all 9 positions in one baseball game. In the first inning, he was the pitcher. In the second inning, he was the catcher. Third inning, he played first base, etc., all the way through the lineup. And it taught me that a good utility player can be super valuable. So when we teach dancing, we want our dancers to be utility dancers. We want them to know how to do line dances, partner dances, and folk dances. And within those, we want our partner dancers to know how to do ballroom and swing and country and salsa. And in line dances, we want to dance to country music and club music. And in folk dances, we want to take dances from all over the world. So all in all, it helps us build our 24th favorite memory, the Dancer's Toolkit. When you live in a small town, you need to know a lot of different things so you can dance when the music comes on. Because we're all one community and we all dance together. Any last thoughts?
That should cover.
All right, thanks to Mrs. C for memory number 24, the Dancer's Toolkit.